She sees everything. How women instantly detect weakness in men. You might think she doesn't notice every little thing you do, but trust me, she does. Every move you make, every word you say, every reaction you have, she's reading it. Women have an almost instinctive ability to detect insecurity, neediness, and lack of control, and most men don't even realize when they're giving off these signals. If you're getting ghosted, struggling in relationships, or feeling like women don't respect you, you might be projecting weakness without even knowing it. Here's the good news. Stoicism teaches you how to correct these mistakes and build unshakable confidence. Today, we'll break down 7 ways women recognize weakness, and more importantly, how to fix them using Stoic techniques. 1. You constantly seek validation. If you're always asking, "Do you like me? Did I do something wrong?" it signals a lack of self-worth, and women notice. Marcus Aurelius put it perfectly. It never ceases to amaze me. We all love ourselves more than other people, but care more about their opinion than our own. A man who needs constant reassurance is a man who won't be respected. Instead of looking to others for validation, validate yourself through your actions, your discipline, your purpose. Women are drawn to self-assured men, not those begging for approval. 2. You apologize excessively. Saying sorry when you haven't done anything wrong makes it seem like you're afraid to take up space or offend others. A truly confident man owns his presence. Seneca taught that real confidence comes from self-mastery. Instead of over-apologizing, reframe your language. Instead of "sorry for being late," say "thanks for waiting." Instead of "sorry for asking," say "I appreciate your time." Speak with purpose, not guilt. Women respect men who own their actions without unnecessary apologies. 3. You're emotionally reactive. Do you get upset when she ignores your text? Do you lash out when things don't go your way? Emotional instability screams weakness. Epictetus warned, "Any person capable of angering you becomes your master." A Stoic man remains calm, composed, and in control of his emotions, always. Next time you feel triggered, pause, take a breath, respond, don't react. Emotional control makes you appear powerful. 4. You over-prioritize her and lose your mission. Too many men drop everything for a woman, thinking it'll make her love them more. It doesn't. It does the opposite. Marcus Aurelius lived by this rule. A man's purpose comes first. A woman will never respect a man who makes her his entire world. She respects a man who has ambition, drive, a sense of direction. Make your mission your priority, and she will respect you more. 5. You fear rejection and avoid taking risks. Weak men hesitate. They avoid eye contact. Wait for women to make the first move. Overthink every interaction, Seneca said. Difficulties strengthen the mind as labor strengthens the body. Confidence is built through action, not avoidance. Train yourself to embrace discomfort. Take small risks daily. Whether it's approaching a woman, asking for what you want, stepping into an unfamiliar situation, every risk you take makes you stronger. 6. You complain instead of taking action. Nothing is more unattractive than a man who constantly complains about his job, his bad luck, how women treat him. Marcus Aurelius gave the ultimate reality check. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength. Stop focusing on what's unfair. Start focusing on what you can control. Women admire men who solve problems, not men who whine about them. 7. You chase instead of attracting. If you're always texting first, making all the plans, trying to win her attention, she senses desperation, and desperation is unattractive. Instead of chasing, focus on becoming a man of value. Build your confidence, develop your purpose. Strengthen your mind and body. When you do that, you become the prize. Women will naturally gravitate towards you. Final truth: women instantly sense weakness and they don't respect it. If you're making these mistakes, it's time to change. Stop seeking validation. Control your emotions. Stay focused on your mission. Stop chasing, start attracting. Adopt these Stoic techniques, and you won't just command respect from women, you'll command respect from the world. Subscribe to Be Stoic. Stay hard. Stay stoic, brother.